Hey, what's going on, guys? If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be unboxing the Nikon D2470 BR vibration reduction. So let's get into this. Let's just do it. So what are you gonna get? What can you expect to coming from here? So not much. Straw. Only this one, and instructions. We don't need them. Who needs instructions for the lens? Here we go. So pretty nice. So it comes in a Nikon bag. Pretty cool, pretty decent, good quality as always, Nikon. So open here. And the moment of the truth. The Nikon D2470 is here. Ta-da! This is massive lens. This is huge. It feels so nice and it looks so pretty. Man, I'm excited. So for now I won't use this. I don't usually use this anyways. So Nikon 2470 millimeters 2.8 VR. This lens is gonna be around 2400 if you are in the US. They have the standard version of this one, which is around $1,600, but it's not vibration reduction, so it's not VR, so keep that in mind. I think it's a little bit smaller than this one though, the other version. This looks very big, very heavy. This one in the camera is gonna be nice to pack and have in your backpack if you're going for a walk or hiking or something. So to me, the 2470 has been always the go with lens. Pretty much love this lens. You can do so many stuff with it. If you are going to shoot a wedding, any kind of event, a concert, even you can do landscaping with this. The thing with landscaping is, since this one has 24, it's wide angle, kind of. So when it comes to wide angle, landscaping is how wide you want to go. But I really think the 2470 is a very good lens. It can help you in all kind of situation, all kind of event, portrait, like I say, weddings, if you have any weddings, quinceañeras, baby showers, birthdays, and so on. So I really love this lens. This is what I bought with my Nikon D850, and I really recommend this lens if you are a new photographer, especially if you can if it has 2.0, so it can be a good practice with it. One of the hardest part as a new photographer will be, apart from getting to know your camera and your lens and how it works and how the light balance ones with each other, is gonna be shooting in 2.0. But once you get that, and if you have a lens that you can shoot with like that and start practicing from the very beginning, I think that will help you to move forward with your career in photography career, and you will be able to shoot any kind of event. So I'll probably make another video explaining a little bit more, but I just wanted to show you guys the Nikon the Nikon 2470 millimeters, and it's pretty good. It's pretty nice. It has vibration reduction on and off, and autofocus and manual focus. I usually do it in autofocus for photos. It's faster and better, from my opinion. But yeah, really recommend this. I'm gonna be doing some testing on this one, and I will let you know how it goes in the future. I'll be sharing some of my photos on my social media, so make sure you follow me. If you want to, you can send me your photos in there, and we can share some experience, some photos, and that'll be good. So if you're a beginner photographer, I really recommend you that get a lens if you can invest from the very beginning. invest in a lens that has 2.8. It can be a 50 millimeters lens as well if you want, but any kind of lens that you have low aperture will be awesome for someone. So you can do everything. You can do zoom in, zoom out, portrait, landscaping, 2.0, and you can practice everything at once. So I really encourage you to do this. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for spending your time here. Make sure you hit the like button. Always help with the YouTube algorithm. And subscribe to the channel for more so you don't miss any more of these upcoming tips for photography. And I will see you in the next one. See ya. Something that I forgot. When you want to put if you have your camera and you have your brand new lens, you want to switch the lens and the camera, something really important, a very good tip is remove the lid. Remove the lid from your camera and always put your camera upside down. Don't put it facing up without the lid on it. Okay, so remove it facing down. Put the lens in there. Make sure the white dot matches. Okay, this white dot, and turn it until it clicks. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.